Good afternoon, thrill seekers. Welcome back. Did you miss me? Today we are at CTX Motoworks out here in San Antonio. Again, we're new bike shopping and we're taking a look at what they got in stock. Look at this beautiful Aprilia right here. Starting off outside. I think we're gonna find some nice bikes in here. Yes, sir. Woo! Now look at this Aprilia. This is nice. Uh-oh, 54? Is this an anniversary edition maybe? I don't know, thrill seekers. Got the Brembos, stock. Yes, sir. This looks like it's pretty stock right here, stock exhaust. Check it out. In that black and kind of lime yellow greenish color. Look at this. Yes, sir. Got another one sitting next to it. RS. Looking pretty stock here too. RS 457. Man, look at this dash. Nice cockpit. Black with the red and purple. Red trim and accents on the rim. Yes, sir. I think this is Brembo brakes too. No, nope. This isn't stock with the Brembos. Okay. Starting off strong over here with the Aprilias. Look at this Triumph. Tiger Sport. Ooh. Yeah. Show of forks. Okay, okay. Nice little Triumph. 800, okay. Sport for all y'all. That's a nice saddle on here. This is a good riding position too, man. Upright posture. Look at these high handlebars. Good for a long tour. Okay, okay. We got the street triple over here. Let's take a look at this street triple, man. Okay. In gray. You know I'm attracted to gray bikes for some reason. Like, whew, okay. I ain't been on a street triple. I don't know, y'all. We got a lot of contenders over here. Another Triumph. We got the Scrambler. Okay. Okay, okay. What y'all think about this Scrambler? 1200 XC. Man, I'm not gonna be doing a whole lot of off-roading, but this is a nice looking bike. Hey, how's it going? Got another Scrambler. Okay. Smaller Scrambler 400 over here. Okay. Bark Busters on there. Okay, okay. Another Scrambler. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Look what we got over here, y'all. The Ducati Panigale V2S. Okay. Now this is a bike right here. Look at that exhaust. Oh yeah, that beautiful Ducati right there. Oil and suspension, okay. I don't know what year this one is though. They don't have no price tags on here, you know it's hefty. Okay, okay. We got another Ducati out here for y'all. the Diaval. I don't know if I'm saying it wrong. Is it Diaval? Y'all tell me. I know I'm probably butchering it. Somebody's gonna eat me up in the comments, but yo. Chain driven. I believe this is a newer model. I believe the early models were not chain driven, right? Am I wrong? When these first came out? Okay. The Multistrada V4S. This is a nice bike too. Yeah. Yeah, between the Diavel and the Multistrada, man, you get a lot of hours in the saddle on this bike, man. Take some long commutes. Yeah, I can see myself day tripping, San Antonio, Houston, driving up to Austin on one of these, man. Not putting a whole lot of strain and stress on the back, being all bent over. Of course, we got the Brembo brakes. Man, this is nice. Okay. Yeah. That Diavel. This is like a wine color, like a dark, deep, rich, purplish, burgundy-ish color. I don't know if it's necessarily my color, but you know, once you polish it up, get it nice and clean, see it shining in the light, it's gonna get a lot of looks. With that Panigale, ooh, I don't know. You're gonna have to go in and talk to him and get the numbers on this thing, boy. That V2, ooh. I wonder if they got any Street Fighters inside. Let's go in, man. Let's go on in. Let's see what we got on the inside. 'Cause we got a whole range of bikes to look at. Here we go, y'all. Okay, stepping in. Got a Bonneville. Couple of Bonnevilles in the lineup here. 1100s. T100. Okay. Got some slight differences in these. T120. Okay. Okay. Look at these, y'all. Y'all like these? Dual exhaust. Motor right there out in the open, make it easy to service. Get your oil changes and everything like that. Uh-oh, look, the Tuono. Oh yeah, look at this Tuono, y'all. Okay, okay, yeah. Okay, the Tuono. Okay. Here's a factory Tuono. Okay. Brembo brakes, oil and front suspension. Type of shock we got up under here. Oil and shock as well. Look at these beautiful red rims. Another beautiful bike. Oh, look at this color, man. Which color? Which color, y'all? Which color? Which one? The black, the blue, with the teal and red. Is this teal? It's kind of hard to tell. Or you got another black and red RS over here. Okay, look at this one. Oh, I think we came to the right spot. Look at these bikes over here, boy. Got the comfort gel seat on it. Oh yeah. Acrobic. Acropovic. I'm sorry. Acropovic exhaust. Man, I don't know. I don't know, y'all. Y'all gonna have to let me. Man. Yes, sir. Yeah. Boy, Pruitt can make some nice bikes. The Italians know what they're doing, y'all. If you're looking for a bike to eat up some miles on the street, oh, and get it done quick and fast, oh yeah. These bikes are gonna run. Okay, what we got over here? Touareg, the Bradley edition. I don't know too much about this one, y'all. You're gonna have to give me some more info on this one. Of course, another good looking bike though. Let's look at this cockpit up here. Yeah, okay. That's looking good. Let's see what else we got. Got the Moto Guzzi engine on here. Yeah, so if y'all looking for a good looking bike, come on over here. Come on over to CTX. Oh, what is this one? I don't think I've ever seen this bike. Yo, check it out, y'all. Y'all hit me up in the comments. Let me know if y'all know what this is, which bike this is. What is this, a Bonneville? V7 Stone. When I get to the house, I'll look it up. Oh, we'll come back to that. We'll come back to that side. But first, check out this one. Oh man, I don't know if the camera's picking it up, y'all. Can you see that color flop? Ooh. Oh yeah. That's nice. Another 457. Yo. Yeah. Okay. Get that. Okay, another one of these V7s. That army green. Some more. Okay. 850. So it looks like this has got what, 850cc in it. That's what it's pushing. Okay. That's the special. V7 special. All right, let's flip over here, y'all. Let's see what else we got on the lineup. That Tuono is looking nice though, man. Man, do y'all like the styling of this Tuono better than the MT-07? I think I like it better than the MT-07 styling. That front headlight sits nice. Okay. Okay, Okay, we got some more Triumphs over here. 1200s. Speed Twin. Okay. Okay, we're back over here to the Ducati Monster. Got the Termagoni. Yeah, y'all. Man, y'all Ducati fans or Aprilia fans? Which one do you like better? The Ducati, the Aprilia? Out of all the Italian sport bikes, British sport bikes, you know, which ones are y'all checking for the most? Which one's gonna turn the head? Which one do you want to throw a leg over? Man, all these bikes, you're gonna have a lot of fun. And I guarantee no matter which one you get, you're gonna get a lot of looks. It's gonna be a lot of people turning heads to see what that is coming down the street. Scrambler, can't go wrong. Oh, man, beautiful Scrambler. Me, man, if I had the big enough garage, I'd probably have one of everything. I'd be cycling bikes in and out. Ducati 450.
Have you been taken care of?
I'm just looking, brother. Desmo X. Huh. Take one of these. Flip it. Get some supermotos throw on here. And this might be a proper little supermoto. The Ducati 450. That's a good little street bike. People want to start off. Okay, let's get back over here. Got some more Panigales. Look at this. Yes, sir, we got the Street Fighter V2S. I knew we was gonna see one in here. I knew it. Yes. Yo. And of course, it's in the beautiful Ducati red. Oh no. Y'all Street Fighter or traditional V2. And of course we got the V2S. Okay. Yo. Okay. Here goes the V4 Street Fighter. If you're looking to put down some stupid lap times, get out on the track. Boy, check out those winglets, y'all. Of course, Brembo brakes. I'm pretty sure it's got oil and suspension. No? Not stock with oil and suspension? Huh. Shocks, that's interesting. All this money you putting into this bike and it doesn't come with that. Huh. Yo, so I know y'all probably been wondering where I've been. Well, So I was out last week, couldn't get to you guys. I'm sorry, life was life. But while life was life, and I was, so a group of bikers, that reminded me, so when you're getting a bike, make sure you guys ride with bikers of your, when you choose a group that, of like-minded riders, somebody that rides in your style. So if you're a new rider, find you a nice group of beginner riders. Because this group of riders I saw, man, they was moving. And of course, one was being left behind. I don't know if he was new to the group, but make sure you ride with, people of your skill level. If you're a new rider, don't try to start riding with a group of riders that have been doing this for 10, 15, 20 years. Find somebody that's of your skill level and of your mindset to ride with. Just a little piece of advice from me to y'all. Of course, you don't have to listen to that. The Ducati Supermoto, the Hypermotard 698. I would not recommend this as a beginner bike, but if you got the talent and the skills, most definitely. Beautiful bike. Great bike to have out on the street. Oh man. 698. Huh. I might have to come throw a leg over one of these. Yes, sir. Okay. Let's get back to it. Okay, so the Desert X. I don't know about Desert. I'm not spending $25,000, $30,000, $40,000 on a bike and taking it to the desert myself. I'm not taking it to the desert. Nice commuter though. Throw some bags on it. Get you back and forth to work. Okay, here we go. Some more XDVLs. So let's take a look. Okay. This is the V4. So these are all chain driven. Yeah, like I said, I could have sworn the earlier models were belt driven, but I'll ask some of these guys. Newer upgrade on the DVL. That red. Super comfortable to ride. Great riding position. Almost like riding a cruiser, but with like way more power. Okay, guys. All right. Let's swing back over here to this side in the back. So, got a nice little collection of gear, some helmets and jackets. Of course, you need that when you're riding.
He said you were really cool. He likes you a lot, so.
So what else we got over here? Okay, got some dirt bikes back here. Some Triumph dirt bikes. TF250C. That's a good little one to get you started on. Get out there in the dirt. This 250. Nice little starter dirt bike. Got the 450. We got electric start on here.
Hey, Edward. So you got a couple things.
Yep, we got electric start on here. They did away with the kick start. Okay.
That's cool. And he said he could do it. It's just drop some cash. You know what I mean? Like $100. Would that be cool?
How do y'all like these, man? Would y'all jump on a Triumph dirt bike? I mean, they clean. They are clean. Okay. More Tigers. A 660. Okay. Wait, what is this? Okay.
That's why fast
The Tiger Sport. Okay.
Ford Maverick that's like dropped to the ground, and then he has his own little like slide out.
All right, that Tiger Sport is looking clean. Okay. Show farts. Got the Nissan brakes on here. Okay. Oh man, that's a tiny little dash up there, y'all. Look at that little LCD screen. Look how tiny that thing is. This would be a good little bike.
Yeah, man, that's what he told me, man. I mean, considering he's working after hours.
Probably a great starter bike.
He's taking a little time off of his person, yeah.
All right, let's go over here, y'all. I've been saving the best for last, y'all. My favorite Italian manufacturer, MV Agusta, making some of the hottest looking bikes on the market, in my opinion, of course. Y'all take that how y'all want to take it. I mean, Aprilia is coming in a very, very close second. I mean, very close. Between Aprilia and MV Agusta in the looks and styling of the bikes, I mean, it is slim between who wins that. Look at this Enduro. Veloce. Man. Might have to see if I could get them to come out here and fire this thing up. Look at this, Super Veloce. And tell me that ain't a good looking bike. That's dope. Look at that. Look how low slung that is. Woo. Single-sided swing arm. They ain't got the carbon fiber rims on this one, no. It must be a different package. Okay. Look at that cockpit. And tell me this doesn't make you want to just jump on it, hit 100 down the highway. Oh, yes. And look at this. Look at this beautiful brutality. Whew. And this is the RR. RR. Man, look at them rims. Look at that, man. Look at that frame, yo. Motor just built into it. Look at that, man. Look at the weld done, man. Come on now, y'all. Look at this. How can you not look at this bike and say it's not a work of art? Come on. Look at this. Yo. Man. And this is a piece of work right here. Yo, I'm hoping y'all are liking this as much as I'm liking it. Shit. Of course. Ah, man. I could be here all day, y'all. Just looking at these bikes, daydreaming. I don't know, man. Which one has been your favorite of the day? Y'all get at me in the comments and let me know. Tell me if y'all like this video. Do y'all like these bikes? Do you like the Aprilias, the Ducatis, the MV Agustas? Let me know. Once again, y'all, thanks for visiting the channel. And this has been another one. Stay tuned for more, and I'll be back at you. Peace.